Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a vacuum cleaner Electrolux. This vacuum problem is it's very slow. Air is taking very slow. We test it. Again, if you power it on, it's very slow. I can stop by hand. I can stop by hand. So it's not very powerful. So if it is not very powerful, you cannot clean very nicely properly. So let's see how to fix it. The motor is working, so I hope there is problem will be filter. There is behind this filter. So this filter is okay, cleaned. Now we'll try again without filter. Yeah, so then also it's same things. Then let's see inside. Actually customer always clean inside, they don't look inside the machine. So here it's clean. So let's see, we'll remove this. Remove this. Now we'll try how is this. So after I remove this cover, I have seen it's very powerful. So its problem is here. Problem is in this filter. See, can you see? It's stuck here. So it was problem is here. See, very dust. It's full of dust. Yeah. So I'll clean it. Then video will be back. Yeah, dear viewers, I have cleaned it very nicely. Yeah. So it looks nice. Let's fix it. Have to fix it here. Let's test it. How is it? So alhamdulillah, now it's very powerful. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.